Blaming, yes.
Kasi baka mas maano yung mga tao kapag ka nama-micromanage, especially kung kami may mga downlines kaming mga lead. Alam naman nila na dapat, but masyadong micromanage, like bumababa pa kami dun sa mga tao nila.
If you're making the decisions for them, no?
Yes, sir.
That's also part of micromanaging. Blaming, micromanaging, ano pa? Fear-driven authority. Ano yung fear-driven authority?
So, sumusunod na lang sila and then they don't feel secure kung mayroon silang gustong erase. Pero sumusunod sila sa'yo.
You know, that leads to that.
Mainit and old.
Di ba? So yes, yung demonstration of ill tempers can reduce psychological safety. So imbis na lalapitan ko ba si Sir Roy, huwag na lang. Mukhang mainit ang ulo. Di ba? Yung mga ganun. Lack of empathy, sabi ni Des. Alam natin yung empathy. Di ba? Sasabihin, Des, naintindihan ko kung bakit ganyan yung nararamdaman mo right now, no? Okay. Or naintindihan ko kung ba't ka nahihirapan. That's empathy. But what's lack of empathy?
Parang dead ma siya sa nangyayari.
No?
Hindi mo walang makitaan na parang affected siya. Parang
Minsan kasi defense mechanism natin yun because we want to show resilience, di ba? Pero it should not happen through the absence of empathy, di ba? Kasi yun nga kailangan mong you need to sit down with people, kagaya nung sabi ni Emmy, and to a certain extent commiserate, recognize how they're feeling about the situation. You know, it's hard for you, it's hard for everyone, di ba? So kung wala ka nun, parang pakiramdam ng mga tao, hindi mo nararamdaman yung pain that they're going through. That can lead to lack of psychological safety.